Hey traders, today is Thursday, October the 29th, 2020, and I wanted to talk a little bit about trading non-correlated assets. And so this has to do with diversification, and everybody knows that word. Everybody has heard of the phrase diversification. Most people don't understand truly what it means. You ask people if they're diversified and they say, yes, I got 10 different mutual funds or I got 20 different stocks. And then of course the follow-up question is, well, if the market tanks like it did yesterday, what happens with all of your 20 stocks or all 10 of your mutual funds? And of course the answer is they all go down, right? They all move in lockstep. And so really non-correlation or asset allocation is what we should be looking for. And so one of the things that I always love to do is trade commodities. I love to trade natural gas and oil. I love to trade gold and silver. And I love to trade the corn futures because they have very, very sort of fluid movements. And corn has been really skyrocketing lately. We had a huge sell signal come in here. This sell signal, you can see, kicked in, let's see, that's about October the 28th. So that would be yesterday, obviously, with our stochastics crossing over, heading down, MACDs crossing over, heading down, RSIs going to the downside as well. And you can see that we've just had this big sort of blow off top here take place in the corn futures. Now, the reason that I like to trade commodities, in addition to the fact that they are non-correlated in most cases to equities, is the fact that they give us a nice potential rate of return. I wanted to show you the trade here that I've got going on here in this particular futures contract in corn. This is a small trade right here. This is the ticker symbol ZC. And you can see it's only about a $700 trade, but it brought in a $350 credit. This is a trade that is going to expire in 22 days and has a 50% potential rate of return on that trade. So if we take a look at it in the risk graph, you can see it right there. We're already profitable on it to the tune of about 50 bucks, but it's moving in the right direction. And it's a high probability trade. This is an 80% probability trade. Again, not putting up that much money, putting up about $700 to do the trade, bringing in $350 in income on the trade. And that's a nice trade. That's a very high profit potential trade, very short period of time. So I do like trading these commodities, and corn right now is the one that looks good from a chart standpoint, trading it to the downside.